This is Dr. Shekhar Bade, Assistant Professor, Department of LPT, Nagpur Veterinary College, Nagpur. This is practical number 1, estimation of specific gravity of milk. Then what is the importance of the specific gravity of the milk? Specific gravity of the milk, it is used to determine addition of water in milk. Specific gravity is used to determine addition of water in milk. But most correct method for determination of water in milk is freezing point test. How we see estimate the specific gravity of the milk? First, we see the requirement. What are the requirement of the requirement? That is the first. That is the milk sample. This one is the milk sample. This is lactometer cylinder. This one is the lactometer. This one is lactometer, and this is thermometer. Now procedure. What is the procedure? Then you have to pour the milk into the lactometer cylinder. Likewise, you have to pour the milk into lactometer cylinder. Then afterwards, you have to take the temperature of the milk. What is the temperature of the milk? 25 degrees Celsius. Now you have to calculate the Celsius into the Fahrenheit. You have to take the lactometer reading. Likewise, you have to pour. You should not touch to the wall of the lactometer cylinder. Lactometer reading is 26. Okay? Now we have to calculate CLR, corrected lactometer reading. What is corrected lactometer reading? There is one thumb rule. If the temperature is more than 60 degrees Fahrenheit, then you have to add 0.1 for each degree into lactometer reading. Okay, if the temperature is less than 60 degrees Celsius, then you have to subtract 0.1 from lactometer reading. That is your CLR, corrected lactometer reading. Now, what is the lactometer reading? What is the lactometer reading? CLR is equal to LR plus correction. That is, LR is equal to 26 and correction factor is equal to 1.7. 26 plus 1.7, that is, it is your 27.7. It is the corrected lactometer reading. Now we can calculate specific gravity. Specific gravity of the milk is equal to 1 plus CLR upon 1/4. 1 plus CLR upon 1/4. That is, means 1 plus, what is the CLR? 27.7 divided by 1000. Then specific gravity is equal to 1.027. 1.027. See, the specific gravity of the cow milk is 1.028 to 1.030. And specific gravity of the buffalo milk is 1.030 to 1.032. See, means if the specific gravity is less than 1.028, or then there might be chances of addition of water into the milk. If the specific gravity for the buffalo milk is less than 1.030, then there might be chance there is a addition of water in milk. Thank you.